This is Clint.
This is Jim Bob.
We're the Whiskey Drinkers.
That's right.
And we got something exciting for you here. This is the DJI Ronin SC Pro.
Now, for everybody thinking that we're going to be DJing and stuff, we're not. Sadly, we're not.
Now, what this is a camera stabilizer, very similar to the one that comes on drones. And being it's DJI, it's the same platform as the drone we use.
Not.
Nah. So,
well, real quick, this little case for this thing is made out of like styrofoam thing you put beers in.
Yeah, and you would. When I first saw this, I was like, I don't like that. But yeah. It's actually a lot more durable than I thought it was. I thought it was going to be like one of those ones you can push and then in.
You're going to ding it up though.
It's pretty strong, but yeah, I don't care about that.
We're going to review it later and show you how dinged up it is.
Yeah, sure.
If it gets dinged up.
So 2 little latches here, like that, and then you open her up. Just like that. And that's what you get. We have not put this together yet, so we don't know what we're in store for.
We got a camera
up there.
Up there.
Hey!
That's right.
Alright, so let's see what we got here. We got some instruction manuals, which we're probably going to use because this isn't cheap.
That's a thick instruction manual.
Jimbo, what do you got over there? Let's show off the accessories we got too.
I got a pole. Looks like it's carbon fiber.
How much does that weigh?
It don't weigh nothing.
It's like no weight to it at all.
It's like
light as,
two peanuts.
Light as could be. I mean, it weighs maybe about as much as like 3 Sharpie markers.
Oh, and you could probably beat somebody with it and it wouldn't bend over their head.
Yeah. And then we got this here, which is a, I don't know, it says AgimbalGear, but it's a mount to, this is real nice. It's machined aircraft aluminum, I think. What this does is it goes on, there's some set screws and a Allen wrench. This goes on here somehow to hold an external monitor. Because I do like using an external monitor.
Now, how much was this, and did that come with it? Did these come with it, or?
This was on sale. Keep in mind, this is the SC Pro. What's different about the SC Pro is it has a little piece that goes around the lens, so you can just, with a push of a button, you can zoom in and out. Because anybody that knows running a camera, you can never get a nice smooth zoom in and out by hand. So
yeah, and you know,
this will take care of that.
Pro's probably a little bit more money. Save up and get the Pro.
A little bit more. I think.
What are you, an amateur? Well, you might.
Yeah.
You might.
I think this was on sale. I think it was just shy of $400, but it's well worth it. Trust me. All right. Look at the hell kind of manual is that? Look at that little flip through thing.
That's for Chinese people.
You put draw little stick figures on there. And
yeah,
make a movie out.
We'll do that.
Oh, this is for the focus monitor.
Oh man, these instructions are real serious.
Are they?
Yeah.
This is the focus monitor here. Somehow, I think this is the focus monitor. Yeah, that's what it looks like, the picture. So somehow here, there's a gear here, and there's a belt down here. So somehow there's some motor in here.
And pay attention to this.
We're learning together.
If you plan to buy one of these, watch us go through it. So when you go through it, you can go through it in front of your lady or something. Look like you know what you're doing.
Well, yeah. Okay, so let's pull some stuff out of here. What's this? This, I believe, is like a tripod.
Oh man, got a little case on it.
It's
pretty cool. Put that on my M16.
I guess that's a tripod.
I don't know what these are. I'm not reading them. I don't know what I'm doing here.
Or it's a propeller for a really big drone.
Could be.
I don't know, but it feels neat. Feel that.
Oh wow, yeah. It's like a rubberized. Got some polymer maybe here on the bottom. Synthetic.
This looks like a little
anti-static,
maybe camera spacer. I don't know.
Man, this is well made.
Yeah,
that's well made. I better be for as much as it is.
Yeah. I like the way it folds up and has a little sleeve. Honestly, probably won't be using this too often.
So you putting this thing together as we pull these things?
No, we're just gonna look at it. We'll put it together in another video.
Here's a little handle.
That's probably what that is, the handle. Here's the big mamma jamma here.
It's got a button on it.
This is the main gimbal itself. These are murderized. It's got a USB thing there. Looks like. I ain't got no fingernails. Yeah, it's got a little USB plug. Got some buttons here. Got 1, 2, and 3. This thing moves. M, and looks like a record button. There's a lock. Oh.
Oh, wow, look at that.
There's a lock
Swiss
there.
bearings it looks like they use.
It does. So that locks that. There's this here to slide this thing in and out. There's one here for sliding this thing in and out.
Bet you it's got some ABEX 72s in there.
There's another lock there. Oh, okay, so let's undo all the locks.
Let me say something real quick, too.
Wow, look at that thing.
You look at the aesthetics of this thing, and it's murdered out. It's
It
all
is.
black. You get it, you're expecting it to be blue or something. It's not. It's professional equipment right here, so they made it black, and it looks legit.
Oh, this is the focus knob here. So whenever everything's hooked up, like this here slides into the bottom of here, like that. And then there's a thing there to lock it.
So this thing's like motorized, and you can move it around.
Yeah. So whenever you're filming, you can turn this here, and it'll zoom in and out.
You're going to have to show people a picture of it in action or something.
Yeah, yeah.
Then they'll know what the hell you're talking
Well, we'll take some video from
okay.
the company's thing.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Well, let's set that aside. That's where you want to hold it. Go ahead.
Thing's pretty cool.
All right. What do we got here?
A fishing rod.
Here looks like a cell phone mount.
It is like a fishing rod.
Yeah,
I don't want to break it.
that's the thing that a cell phone goes on.
Oh, right here's where you stick this in.
Yeah.
Oh, no, not there.
But yeah, I think a phone goes in there or something. Now, I'm pretty sure this is like the drone. It's got programmable settings.
Oh,
Like,
wow.
Remember on the drone how it had like the follow me mode?
Yeah,
Think about Arm Wrestling Roulette when you're up there and I'm chucking on the mountaintop
I remember that.
and it's going around and it's following you. This will
Yeah.
do the same thing.
Sweet. Looks like so. Oh no, it's just
Pieces.
moisture. I was gonna say somebody down there in the shipping had greasy fingers. Me eat some chicken or something.
Oh, look at that. Jim Bobby even comes with a little toot straw.
Oh, I don't think that's what that is, Clint. It probably is, but we got kids might be watching.
Oh, yeah. Well, we'll blur that out. Let's see. What's this here? Oh, comes with a little flux capacitor. Look at that. Little flux capacitor.
Oh man, yeah, it is.
Did that one. That's the motor. Let's see.
There's all kinds of goodies in here.
Some set screws, some Allen wrenches.
Oh, we got us a little gel pack for Louie.
Oh, he loves them little
Louie
gel
still got
packs.
the corona. We don't hold it against him.
No, we got this here.
It's a little rail. It's a slider rail.
Yeah, it's weird. It
That's for
has the numbers and stuff here, but here it says light and heavy. So I'm thinking this might be like the counterbalance.
Oh,
So if
could
you got
be.
like a heavier lens on it,
Yeah.
you slide it to one side.
like the scales of
Kinda-
justice.
Yeah, kind of.
Well, like that.
Just like that. Here's our little strip. This is for the focusing thing here. This is where your gears go on. Got a cord here. We got a little USB adapter here. I don't know the difference. We got another cord here. Oh shit, we got a couple cords here.
Oh,
We got a cord there. We got a cord there. We got a cord here.
All right, this is boring. We
That's pretty much it.
well, I guess it's pretty exciting to see all this
There's
cool
everything
stuff
in there.
in here.
Then,
See-
like I said, we got this piece here that goes on something, and then
all right, so
that piece which goes there.
so your camera hooks here, right?
Yeah, well, I think your camera goes
All
on
right, yeah,
here,
just like a camera,
and then it slides into
and
there.
then boom, right in there. Or you have the option of taking that off and sticking on your thing for your cell phone,
Yeah,
which we're not going to do that.
but no.
We might do that.
Hey, who knows? We might get freaky with it. We don't know.
We might.
All
Look at
right.
this. It's like a fishing rod, you see? All right.
It's like a really expensive fishing rod.
That's true. I better quit jerking around. Sorry.
All right. Well, hey, come
Oh.
back. What?
One last thing. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's like a little analog stick on
Yeah.
a games controller. Just saying.
Yeah. I don't know if that's for the zoom or if that's to control the camera with. It might be for like doing panning shots.
If you guys ever
There's a
played,
power button on the side there.
if you guys ever played the Dreamcast, and you use that fishing
I don't
rod,
think there's any power in it.
this is just like that fishing rod. So you'll be all right. All right.
That makes sense. All right. Well, come back and we'll get all of this put together. We'll show you how to put it together. That is.
That's right.
And then we'll do some testing with it.
That's right.
See you then.
See ya.
Jim, I'm never going to figure out that instructions. Too much there.